Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link, and we're going to go with a weather alert for Thursday, but primarily late Thursday night. I don't see too many problems or anything really high impact during the daylight hours of Thursday, though we do have clouds and really very light precipitation, either drizzle, some light rain showers early in the morning, northern part of the state. It could be a few flurries, but even there, it'll change over to light rain showers. It's primarily Thursday night and towards daybreak on Friday, and especially late Thursday night. That's where we'll see some strong wind gusts and some steady rain. Now, by no means is this anything severe or extreme, but certainly high impact and impactful enough to go with a weather alert during this time period. And this weather, and it will be rain, no snow, very mild, will extend towards daybreak on Friday. Some downpours around 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Still some gusty wind at that time, 40 to 50 miles per hour. But it's very progressive. Probably 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, the rain is gone, and the rest of the afternoon is dry. And it actually sets up for a mainly dry holiday weekend. So what to expect? And again, this is primarily, the bulk of this is later Thursday night, daybreak Friday, up to an inch and a half of rain. Wind gusts out of the south, southeast, 40, 50 miles per hour, and there may be some minor street flooding towards daybreak on the Friday morning commute, and certainly some slower travel speeds as well. Satellite photo shows mainly cloudy skies. We've got some, of course, we continue with this very stormy pattern of these big storms that are coming in off the Pacific. I mean, look at this huge swirl right in here. There's the next one that's moving onshore across California. And this was once a Pacific storm and it has weakened, but this is the system that is actually headed our way, right there, for later Thursday and into early on Friday. So this is across the Central Plains, and this will arrive in our area for Thursday. So we'll take a look at the forecast, and we'll take you into early on Thursday morning, starting off at around freezing 31, 32 degrees, mainly cloudy skies. You start to see some little elements of sprinkles, and these blue represents some flurries. By noon, or about early afternoon, it's cloudy, a little damp, upper 30s to low 40s, some passing areas of either, light rain showers or some drizzle. Nothing really high impact. Wind is not a concern during the daytime. And even early Thursday evening for the evening commute, other than some light rain showers and drizzle, nothing too impactful. But once we get later Thursday night, and you can see here we are at about 11 o'clock Thursday night, the heavier rain starting to work in, and it's really later Thursday night towards daybreak Friday, we start to get into some of this heavier rain and wind. So for Thursday morning, I would say that this precipitation is generally more nuisance than anything else. Mid and upper 30s, some sprinkles and flurries. And then during the afternoon, I was looking at, light rain showers, some drizzle and some sprinkles, temperatures in the lower to middle 40s. And then we'll bring in some of that heavier rain and wind later Thursday night. Bay forecast, looking at a southeast wind at 10 to 20. So the wind speed's really not too bad during the day, but more than likely gale warning material later Thursday night and on into early on Friday. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. You want to check in. We'll start, first of all, our newscast, which is tonight, Wednesday night at 10 and 11 o'clock this evening. And then with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello early on Thursday morning starting at 4:30 a.m.